how can we apply this to our password program? Well, we need to surround all of the repeated code with this for loop. We know the repeated code is from here all the way down to here. So let's surround it with that for loop. So first thing we need is a counter variable. So int, let's say num tries. So far num tries is 0, but we set that up in the for loop. So we say, okay, for num tries is equal to 0. We haven't tried yet. And now we want to keep going as long as num tries is less than 3. And then we want to increment the num tries by 1 each time. You don't have to increment by 1. You can increment by whatever you want as long as that change of the variable is moving towards the end goal. Now I'm going to use the shortcut this time because you should be used to it by now. Now I opened up my squiggly bracket, my brace, and I got to go find the closing point for it. Now here's the thing. I don't need to go through all of this stuff. All I really need to do is around the first part. I don't need the rest of that code. However, I do still need the if access is granted part, so we're going to copy and paste that. We're going to grab this, surround that, and we'll just fix that in here. All of this stuff down here that we're repeating is now done for. We don't need it anymore. So we've just shrunk our code by almost 2/3, give or take, without the extra stuff that's involved in there. But what you can see here is that now with this simple for loop, it's essentially going to repeat all of this code inside 3 times. So we can actually just keep going and going and going and going. Now if we run our program again, oops, we still have the old code running and not this part, so we can actually delete this stuff here. We don't need that anymore. And we're going to uncomment our subprogram that's doing the password. Run our program. Please enter your password. Oh, okay. Bob. Incorrect password. Please enter your password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which should be the correct one. Woot, access granted, and the program ends. Pretty cool.